Mastering the art of character performance. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of English language learning, acting out a character. This phrase might sound straightforward, but there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Whether you're a language learner, an aspiring actor, or just curious about English expressions, understanding this phrase will add a new layer to your communication skills. Let's explore what it means to act out a character and how you can apply this in various contexts. To act out a character means to perform the role of a character from a play, movie, book, or any other narrative medium, often by mimicking their behavior, speech, and mannerisms. It's not just about reciting lines. It's about bringing a fictional persona to life through your actions, expressions, and voice. This phrase encapsulates the essence of acting, the transformation into another being, with its own unique traits and stories. For English language learners, acting out characters can be an incredibly effective tool. It allows you to practice pronunciation, intonation, and emotion in a way that's engaging and fun. By stepping into the shoes of various characters, you get to explore different accents, speech patterns, and vocabularies, all of which enrich your understanding and fluency in English. This method also boosts your confidence in speaking and can significantly improve your ability to express emotions and nuances in English. 1. Choose a character. Start with a character whose personality intrigues you. This can be anyone from a famous English novel, a popular movie, or even a cartoon. 2. Study the character. Pay close attention to how the character speaks, moves, and reacts to different situations. Notice the nuances in their voice, the vocabulary they use, and their emotional range. 3. Imitate and practice. Try mimicking the character's speech and actions. Practice their lines, but also improvise conversations in their style. Record yourself if possible, to evaluate your performance and make improvements. 4. Get feedback. Share your performance with friends, teachers, or online communities. Constructive feedback can help you refine your accent, emotion, and overall portrayal. Acting out a character isn't just for the stage or classroom. You can use this technique in real-life situations to improve your English. For instance, pretend you're a confident English speaker in social settings, or adopt the persona of a favorite English-speaking public figure during presentations. This role-play can make challenging situations more manageable and significantly boost your language skills. Acting out a character is more than just an acting technique. It's a powerful tool for language learning and personal development. By embracing the roles of various characters, you immerse yourself in the English language in a creative and dynamic way. We hope this video inspires you to try out this method and opens new doors in your journey of English learning. Happy acting, and see you in the next video.